Beetlejuice! Some say that it is a Halloween gift from Universal Orlando to those who are patient and deserving. Others say that Universal Orlando is on contractual obligations to Warner Brothers to get it open for at least 2 days. I choose to see it as a little bit of both. Either way, I'm excited. Yesterday was Halloween, and I refuse to be Christmas yet. I'm still in the Halloween season fever, missing Horror Nights this year. And my favorite, one of my favorite movies, Beetlejuice, hands down my favorite Tim Burton movie, has been turned into a house. We didn't think we were gonna see it until next year, but for Halloween Day and November 1st, they opened it up. And today is the day that we go see it. I'm also joined once again by Michaela, because just like Beetlejuice name is his trigger word, her trigger word is Halloween Horror Nights. So of course, just like Bride of Frankenstein and Tooth Fairy, this is going to be virtual line, but because it's only open for 2 days, people are going kind of nuts. Pressure's on, Michaela. Pressure's on. 2020's been a bad enough year for everybody that we deserve to see a gosh darn house. I'm ready. I got my app up, and we just saw a girl in Lydia's red wedding dress from the end of the movie, and honestly, we deserve to get in. We're excited, but you know what? I hope she gets it. I hope she loves it.
I did it!
Ah! If y'all think Rise of the Resistance is hard, woo!
It's already full.
Oh my god.
1 minute.
Okay, so it opened up at what, 10:52?
Something like
10:51, 10:52, something like that. Or not.
7:52.
7. I'm excited. 7:51, 7:52, somewhere around there it opened. And then within 7:53, I'm clicking, I'm like, oh look, a 10:30 time slot, try again. 12:30 time slot, try again. 1:30 time slot, try again. She got the 2:30. We're going in 2:30 today. Oh, that is awesome. And then as soon as I try to click the 4:30, which was the next available time slot, it says no available time slot. That's it. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Score. I mean, do you realize if you weren't here, I wouldn't be getting into this house?
So let's go.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Woo! Michaela, the time is here. The time is now. Time to head on into the Beetlejuice house. It's gonna be located right here backstage behind the Barney Theater. Funny enough, my favorite Halloween Horror Nights house of all time was the Universal Monsters house last year, and this was in the same location. So we're out of the Beetlejuice house. We are back here in the U-Rest area. If you're wondering why we have our masks off, that would be...
Why?
Definitely not the scariest house I've been in.
No.
but that's also not a negative.
There's areas, if you've had the chance to go through it, I'm sure you saw, that you could tell like they plan more scares, but because of COVID, they can't.
It definitely seemed like a COVID-19 modified version of the house, which
It's not
though
bad.
sounds disappointing.
Yeah.
Just actually makes me want to come back for the 2021 Halloween
see
Horror Nights
it.
and check out the full version.
Yeah.
As for the version that we got,
I really enjoyed it. I was loving seeing all the Beetlejuices, the multiple terms of them.
basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through various scenes of the movie and various iconic locations of the movie, and Beetlejuice in his various forms and various outfit changes and whatnot are going to jump out at you and scare you. You also have the Maitlands in there, you have Lydia, all the iconic Beetlejuice characters and locations and songs and sounds, smells.
It was cool.
We're in there. We have live actors. We have spinny room
Yeah,
that
like
makes
it's
you all
like a
dizzy.
tunnel,
Yeah, like a spinny tunnel thing. We have projections. We have jump scares. They actually use this really thing where they took plexiglass, you know, like the scare actors are supposed to be behind, kind of like they were in Tooth Fairy, in order to keep everybody distant and safe. But they designed it like funhouse mirrors, which was insanely cool. There was moments where it felt like you were walking through this like creepy carnival.
Yeah. They of course have the infamous dinner scene.
Of course. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake
So
your body.
that was fun.
If you're a fan of the movie,
You'll like it.
100%. If you're looking for the scariest house of the bunch, I would still say probably Tooth Fairy.
Yeah. But scene-wise, everything.
Scene-wise, incredible.
Yeah.
I keep throwing this out there like you guys are gonna try it. Hopefully we will.
Yeah.
2021 Halloween Horror Nights, it's supposed to still be here, I think.
I think that's why
We haven't heard anything definitive yet.
From what I heard, some of that contract, that's why they had to open it for 2 days to keep the IP for the house.
Yeah, in order to keep it for 2021, I think Warner Brothers did say that they had to open it for at least 2 days in 2020, so they picked Halloween and the day after, and today's the day after, so it'll be the last day for 2020.
I want to come back. I'm hoping it comes back in 2021. I want to come back and see it. Even if it is a modified version, I would still come back and see it.
Absolutely.
So that says a lot.
So that will about do us this time, guys. Go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode. And I don't care if Halloween just passed. Happy Halloween.